Okay, so this video today is really going to be a follow-up to another video that I just did. It's right before this video, and in which I talked about when a baby has suffered a traumatic brain injury like HIE, why medical experts are extremely important. I go through why they're needed. I go through how we find them and standard of care, causation, all of these types of things. So if you have questions about using medical experts when your baby has suffered an HIE injury from a medical legal standpoint, check out that video. But based on that video, I had questions offline, and those questions dealt with, okay, well, what if you've already talked to a birth injury attorney and they've told you that there is no case or that they can't move forward? And so what I want to get into depth with today is getting that second opinion. And I want to give you some pro tips if you're looking to have a second opinion attorney take a look at things for you. And this holds true for me. When I review cases and I do a birth injury investigation, there are times in which I just can't move forward. In other words, there may be defenses, there may be genetic defenses, there may be developmental defenses. There may be things that just don't line up based on the facts. And I see these things, and from an attorney's standpoint, there just can be things that I just think that we will not be able to be successful. And even when that's the case, I will still tell this family, look, my opinion is not the end all be all. Go ahead and get another attorney or get someone else to take a look at it. They may have a different theory, they may have different experts, they may come at the problem a different way. But that being said, when you speak with your second opinion attorney, when you're going through your investigation or your interview with them initially, be sure though to ask them questions, the same questions and issues that the previous attorney brought up. You want to make sure that you have answers for those issues, because you don't want to get down, as they say, you don't want to get the train down the track and then realize the same barricade that was in the first on the first track that it's on the second track. So you just want to make sure when you initially talk with them that, look, you know, these were some issues also that were brought to my attention. How do we deal with this, let's say, developmental issue? Will our experts have a different theory as to what caused the injury? Or will they say that, you know, based on the record, this does not apply? You just want to make sure that you have answers for some of the issues that are being brought up when you talk to the previous professional. Okay, so I know I talked about a lot in this video, but I'm just trying to help you understand from a pro tip standpoint that yes, you should still get a second opinion, but you just want to make sure that you also have answers as to some of the initial issues that were brought up the first time.